video is on how to turn text sideways in Word and also in Excel. So right now in Word, there are two ways that I will turn text sideways. First, using a text box, and then also using a table. Now, a table is my preference. However, I'll show you the text box first. So if you go to Insert, Text Box, you can choose what kind. Once I clicked on it, it just put a text box over here. And now I can put whatever information. I'll put my name. I'm going to click out. And when I click back in, I now get some options. So I have an option. It's called Shape Format. And then over here, I can rotate my text. So that's one option. I'm going to do a Control A to get rid of that and hit Delete. Now I'll show you with a table. I'm going to go to Insert, Table, and you can do it with one cell or multiple cells, but I'll choose one for now. I'll type my name. And when I click back into that table, I now have options. If I go to Layout, I can go ahead and change my direction. If I keep clicking, it'll keep changing it. And so that's the way I would prefer to actually change the direction of my text whenever I'm in Word, is by using a table. But again, a text box is an option. You can also do it in Excel. So let's say you wanted to change the direction of your headers. So if I had a header and I named it Name, and click back on it, and right here, I can change the direction. However you want to do it. Very simple. All right, please email me if you have questions.